Swiss Meringue Buttercream is a great buttercream to work with when decorating cakes. It's silky smooth and allows you to easily achieve the flat top and sharp edges when frosting your cakes. Last week we covered how to color American buttercream using gel-based colors. This week we want to show you how you can color an oil-based or high-fat content buttercream. And we're going to do that by using our oil-based colors. The oils in the color and the fat in your recipe will bind together, creating a beautiful, vibrant color. If you were to use a gel-based color, it's going to take a lot more effort and a few more steps to be able to achieve that color. In this simple tutorial, we're going to show you how you can easily color Swiss Meringue Buttercream. To color our Swiss Meringue Buttercream, we're going to be using Color Mills Melon Oil-Based Color. And the instructions on the bottle say to shake well, because the oils tend to settle at the top. So you want to make sure you shake well. And it also says to take it easy because these colors will develop over time. So the color that you initially get once you mix is going to be a little bit lighter than the color that it's going to develop into. Okay, so we're going to give it a good shake. And now we're going to go ahead and start mixing. We're going to start with 1 drop. Here's the color that you can achieve with just 1 drop of the oil-based color. And now we're going to add 2 more drops and see what the color result will be for a total of 3 drops. And here is the color that we can achieve with 3 drops of the oil-based color. So as you can see, just adding 2 more drops of color gave us a much deeper melon color. So if you are looking for a more pastel, bright color, a little bit goes a long way. And just keep in mind that these colors do develop over time. So you will have a slightly darker shade as the end result. And if you want to go even darker, you just continue to add more drops. And this is how you can easily color your Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BakeDeco for more tutorials like this.